Giang thảo luôn hỏi yếm hóa liao tây kinh sẽ khâu hay khung pháo tây bông nhìn tông phiếu thun kinh sẽ.
The Iu-Mien have been traced to around 220 AD as belonging to one of the subgroups from Yao nationality in China. Many Iu-Mien settled in Vietnam, Laos, Thailand, and Burma after their southward migration in the 17th through 20th centuries. In Thailand and Laos, the Iu-Mien practice slash and burn agriculture, also known as shifting cultivation, which involves moving to new land once every decade. Along the line of surviving, building a house was one of their main objectives.
Con ai tiền nó phải tập tiền tiền nhưng mà nó tiền tao tiền nó chơi lo nó
nó buôn vợ chồng em bỏ tiền tiền họ nhá đưa anh thấy cái bảng
em trốn tiền ăn tập bên kia hay na
buông luôn
nó trang mà buông trang mà
này xuống buông đang cái bỏ tiền
buông nó bứt rồi ta bứt
nè bố phèn đồ na ha
cái phần đó với ít bung mà họ
ok ít bung phía hông sợ
cái phần đăng á điang này con phía chống ở phía đông phía giết dừng nhá
phía kia nó tụi nghi sẽ giết ở đâu á sao three quarter á
chờ đúng không không làm mà làm chờ đúng không tôi chủ là hả ta đổ na thao chờ đúng không na ta tụi nó cắt ta tụi bữa ta game khuất na ta
nó cho bèn nha
cắt bèn
liu ấy u chuẩn hoa tụi liu tế cái gì tôn u đào tại bữa ăn cho khuất na
cắt buông ta tụi em tụi giá ta
bia bung
bia buông ta
nó
tập bia tiêu
khuất cho nó son nó son.
In Thailand, we use different kind of leaves to make the roof. Most common is thatches. In this case, we substitute it with palm tree leaves because this is more accessible.
Mẹ muốn như ta mẹ ta tôi thao chắc em thao đo cho mẹ thao á
ta nó cho bia siêu
nó ta thao nó mẹ nó.
The usual time it takes to build an actual house is about 1 to 2 months. That is with the help of at least one person from a family of the whole village. Approximately 10 to 12 families. When it comes to building a house, both men and women are working together to fulfill the necessary tasks. Traditionally, Mien people rely heavily on natural resources such as bamboo, trees, leaves for architectural necessity. Making the roof is a strenuous process. It takes great amount of practices and patience to master it. It takes immense amount of time because there's a lot of reputations involved in the process of weaving. Imagine having to make enough for the entire roof of an actual house. Bamboo is primary source of material used in building most structures in a village. Pig pen is one of them. It takes a great deal of artistic skills to assemble one that's strong enough to hold 3 or more pigs.
Brian, help me. His leg hurts. Today we learned how to make this. It's our roof to our house, or yeah,
Our house right there.
our model home, which is back there. And we learned how to put this thing together because you have to weave it through, and it takes a lot of hard work. Let's just do it. Brian?
Oh yeah, I got blisters from this. It hurts a lot.
I think I kind of realized what the hardships that my parents went through, and what it took them to put me here, why I'm here today, because living in Laos and Thailand is so much different than living in America, and it's amazing to know that my parents can put a house like this together. Compared to all the money that we make today, it doesn't compare, because the love that you have making something like this, it's your own.
vượt phá là dụ
tờ lồng là đó phá dụ tờ phá nhá
dụ tờ dạ dồn đồ ngoài đó vượt hiện tờ lồng này dụ dền ha công can đi vượt đồ ngoài nè đó dạ vượt tờ lồng nó dụ dền ha lồng thôi ấy tờ nó sẽ tự tốn nó bẹp cho thấy nó vượt chỉ nói tao ibu mà giỏi tiếng này ibu tiếng giỏi thì chúa lọ em bảo tôi lồn thôi nhé ta tôi phải dụ nó phải chẳng dụ ta đủ chân
Trước nhát là lồn là nhát
à lồn là nhát ha ibu lồn thôi mà tí mà nhung
đủ cái nan ta bơ lồn nan run ta cái nan đủ nữa lồn hoa ta nó miêu kia nữa
ta nó nhát nó đủ nó dạ dùng ní đủ dần xíu đủ đó dùng lan này ibu ta nó nhát ha.
When using the tools to build houses, back then was a lot more difficult due to the fact that there were no modern technologies available to the villagers. The only tools used for building houses were homemade axes, hoes, knives, shovels, and bamboo strands. Whereas today in the US, the contractors have a variety of advanced technology such as nails, electric saws, drillers, screwdrivers, staple guns, measuring tapes, and all other tools and equipments required for building a house. Splitting bamboo is another method which requires a lot of time, experience, and skills. The process can be extremely dangerous if one does not know how to use the knife correctly. and also requires balance, precise aim when breaking bamboo.
นั่นตัดหันเนาะบ่เฮ็ดเต้น
Sometimes even the experienced person, he or she, may take some time to do it well. The bamboo will then have to be shaved with a knife in order to make it safer to assemble and use as a wall.